How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do this. Pretty cool, right? So let's get into it. So first you're gonna go to pexels.com and then you're gonna search for house, any house. So you're gonna see some options and then let's pick this one. Okay, so just gonna download the image and let's go to ChatGPT now and let's just upload the photo. And I'm gonna write, hide the house with a giant cloth. And then you're gonna see something like this. Pretty cool, right? So let's download the image and then we're just gonna search for any AI software. So let's just type in AI video generator. And then from one image to another. And then you can just pick any of them. So let's just pick this one, HailuoAI. And then we're gonna go to video. For the first picture, we're gonna select our first image that is covered with a cloth. But for the end image, we're gonna select the one we downloaded from Pexels. And so now we need a perfect prompt for this. So AI is not a human being, right? So we have to teach AI what do we need, and we have to give it as much details as we can. So I have a solution for that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to ChatGPT again, and we're gonna ask ChatGPT for the prompt. So let's just type in, now give me clear prompt about the nice camera movement towards the house and how the cloth lifts up and reveal the house, and also the clouds in sky are moving. So why are we doing this? Because we don't want to make it obvious that it's an AI video. So that's why I'm adding clouds movement so it can look more realistic. It's a pretty detailed prompt. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy the prompt and we're just gonna bring it back to our AI software. And now what I recommend is that you should read the prompt before you use your credits. Because it's a free software, they just give you few credits. So you can only generate like, I think, 5-10 videos for free, which is pretty good, right? So let's just read the prompt. Smooth cinematic drone shot slowly moves
forward along a curved driveway towards a large house covered with a giant beige cloth. Camera slides gracefully, capture the lush green lawn and tall trees swaying gently in the breeze as the camera.
Okay, so yeah, let's just see and let it do the magic. So voila, we have this amazing AI video, and you can see it looks pretty sick. You can do this for your clients, and I'm sure your clients will be really happy when they see it. Because in real estate, everybody likes a new idea, right? So you can use this idea to shoot your property videos. So yeah, that's how you make property or house revealing AI video, and you can use it for your realtors or for your real estate videos. So I hope you learned something, and if you like the video, let me know in the comment section, and you can follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be making more videos, short videos and long videos for YouTube and for my Instagram. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.